So hi, today we'll be discussing with program 7 and program 8 of data visualization lab. So first let's see what's program 7. So creating reports and visualizations, different types of charts, formatting charts with title and color. So in sixth one, we just transform the data. Here in seventh one, we are actually creating the charts and everything. So let's start. Click on blank report and then click on import data from Excel. Choose your data set. Again, for this thing, we'll be using HR data set. So click on open. So in this one, we'll see all like different types of charts and everything. Now click on sheet 1. And then for this one, again, there are certain things we have to change in our data set, like the Excel sheet. So click on transform data and then just open. So here you'll get your data set. Then click on add column and then further click on conditional column. So here we are going to create a new column. So just name it as attrition count. Like you could see like our first column was attrition over here. So you're using that and you're creating a new column. So here click on if attrition. So by its own the operator will come as equals and then type yes in value output is equal to 1 else 0. Then click on OK. So if it is right, you'll get a column of attrition count. If not, you'll get some error or something. So once you get it, just go to home and close and apply. Just click on it. So it'll take some time to load the data. Like this thing will come, just don't click on it. It is going on, the process is going on. So if you click on this, no, the system will hang. So you should again go back and everything. Just don't do that. So once it's get loaded, you'll see sheet 1 over here. You can see everything. Where is our attrition count? Here. Okay. So first we'll see each and everything. Like most of the things we are going to cover in this, all the basic graphs and everything, charts. So first we'll create a KPI card. So this KPI card, just click on card, you'll get this thing. So KPI card is mainly used like to represent numbers like if age, like how many people are of that age, like that. So for KPI card, we'll drag employee count. So here is our employee count. So just drag here in the place of value. So you can see that now sum of employee count will be here. So in my data set, there were around 3,000 employees. So the employee count is 3,000. Now you can go to format your visual and then general. You can click on title if you want on it. Click on, I mean, if you want to change the title, I just want it to be employee count. You can see here the heading, the title is coming, but it's already written here, so I just don't need it. I'm giving it off. Then you can click on various effects like background color and all you can change. Like if you see, if I give here orange, you can see this border. It is changed to orange color, but white was fine for me. Then if you want, you can on visual border. So you can see there was somewhat changes over here. You can on shadow, so you can see shadow is created. Don't want visual border, but I want shadow. So I'll keep it. So let's close it first. Like that, there are many other things which you can explore. Cards, you can just change everything like size of the box and everything. So first we'll just we'll make it a little colorful. So for that, click on view. So here you can see different types of view. So here, let's see how is this. It's like too much. Uh, let's change it. I guess this thing. Yeah, minimal and good also. So here, effects I have off the background. I don't need it actually. So I'll just keep it off. Like all this formatting according to your wish, your choice, you can do. That is all up to you. So this was KPI card. So here you can see as card. KPI card is nothing but key performance indicator. So that's what, like you can see like employee count, you can see how many number of employees are there, and accordingly other things you can see. Then next we'll create a pie chart. So here if you click on it, you'll get pie. Click on this. See, this is the mistake what everyone does. When I clicked on pie chart, the previous KPI card got like vanished and then this thing came. So click on card again and then once click on the dashboard here. Then once like if it is like not on anything, not pointing to anything, then you can click on any other chart or graph. So that time we'll create a new chart. So pie chart. So for this we'll drag. So this you'll have legend and values, details, everything. So you should drag department to legend. Drag department to legend and drag attrition count to values. Here. So I'll just enlarge it. See, you can see count of attrition count by department. So by chance, if I put department and values, let's see what changes occur here and in legend attrition count. See, there are certain changes. So let's keep it department and then attrition count. So this thing we should see to it very carefully, like where what we are placing. Like if we place it the other way, then you'll get different. See here you're getting RD, sales and HR. So according to the department, you're getting count. So it is like this. So this was a pie chart. And then we'll create a column chart. So here you can see that this thing is a column chart, stacked column chart, and this thing is a clustered column chart. So you choose stacked column chart for now. Let's choose stacked column chart and place it over here. And then here you can see x-axis, y-axis, and legend. So for x-axis, we should drag age, and y-axis we should drag employee count here, and then in the legends we should drag gender. So you can see that male and female, like you can see a different ratio. See the legend which is here, it is nothing but it gives you colors. See, like without legend, you could say only one color, like age and employee count. According to the employee, what are their ages? But when we drag gender to legend, you can see two different colors. Like in our dataset, male and female is present. So they just classified it into two different ages according to the employee count. So legend is basically for colors. Just make it small because other things I won't have space. Later on we can create, like we can place it anywhere how we want according to the space. As of now I'm just making it small. So next we'll go with a bar chart. So again you have two types of bar chart, stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. So we'll be using stacked bar chart for now. So for this, okay, you should click on this. Y-axis and x-axis. Y-axis you should drag education here, and x-axis you should drag attrition count. So most of the thing you're dragging attrition count only. So you can see, like for bachelor's degree, there are 1141 people. Yeah, if you click on it, it will come. Education bachelor's degree count of attrition 1141. Least is doctoral degree. I mean, of course, it's too difficult and costly also, and difficult, so you can understand. So all of this, and then this was stacked bar chart. Then we'll go with a donut chart. So you can see it is similar to a pie chart, but the only thing is it looked like a donut. Like there'll be hole in between. So for donut chart again you have legend and value similar to pie chart. So in legend we should drag gender here, and then so you can see male and female came here. You can see two different colors. Now according to the value we insert, it'll come like the donut chart will be formed. So here again you should drag attrition count. So you can see if you click on this you'll get like all everything. Female there are 1000 employees and all of this like the education what they got. And male there are 2000 employees, and then all the education where different departments everything. So you click here, something is generating, then you can come back again. So this was donut chart. Now there's something called matrix. Here you can see matrix. So it'll create different types of columns will be there. So first click on matrix. You'll see rows, columns, and values. So now in show rows, we'll drag job role, and in columns, we'll drag job satisfaction. And you can see like already this is formed 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if values in values, if you put something, values will come in. So in values, we are putting job involvement or job level, anything you can put according to your wish. So you can see now values are there, and total value also can be seen over here. Like this is the total. Okay, it's this small, so this is better. Then this was matrix. There are two things, table and matrix. For this program, we're using matrix. For later on programs, we'll be using tables also. So next, there's only one part left, that is slicer. So here you'll get a slicer. I guess I saw slicer somewhere. Yeah, here this thing is a slicer. Click on it, and then you'll get only one field, which is field itself. So choose education. So drag education to field. So you'll see somewhat like this. Select all, associate by this thing, that thing. Then go to format and then click on slicer settings. So here this thing style, you can see vertical list. There are three styles. So tile, if you click on tile, you'll get somewhat like this. So you can place it like this. Then there's one more, drop down. Drop down is nothing but if you click like this, it is drop down, of course. I will change it to tile because I don't have space also. If it can be like one single line, it will look good. So education, all of this. Like if I select associate degree, so you can see here only associate degree will be seen. And employee count and everything will get changed. So just select all. So this was the seventh program. So you can see we created almost 6 to 7 different charts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So this was the seventh program, and then still it's not tata bye bye. We're going to see even the eighth program because eighth program is the extension of seventh program itself. Like in this same charts and everything, we are going to modify certain things. Let's see what is it. First, we'll see what's the eighth program. Dashboards, filters in Power BI, formatting dashboards. Yes, so we are just filtering whatever we did till now. Like the seventh program is this much. Now on this, you're going to filter certain things. So for that, click on new page. So here you can go new page. So now I want all of this in page 2 also, because this is seventh program, this is eighth program. We are just distinguishing it. If you want, you can do it here also. But if you want it there, then click on this thing, shift, click on each and everything, like all of your charts. So you can see it is getting selected. Now click on Control C and go to page 2, click on Control V. So now it will ask if you want to sync or no. Just click on sync. So everything will come, and this, if you want, you can keep program 7 and program 8 separate. If you want, you can do it here also, it's your wish. So now we are just not going to create any new data as such, we're just filtering it. We're not going to create any new chart here. So first, here you can see filters on this page, in the filters column, you can see filters on this page. Now here you should drag department. So we'll find where is department. Yeah. Drag it here. Then you can see basic filtering. If it is some other filtering, just choose basic filtering. And then you can choose anything like HR. So you can see only HR is here. But we'll choose any two. So we'll choose HR and RND. So you can see now, you can see that there are 2000 people. So this was the first filter which we are putting in department. So just make it small. And the second filter will be putting on monthly income. So it's here, drag here. Next one you can put. So now here itself it is showing advanced filtering. If you want, you can change. But now we'll see with advanced filtering. And here you can choose the value is less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, not, is blank, everything. We'll choose is greater than or equal to 10,000. So it's 10,000. Yes. Click on apply filter. So you can see when I clicked on this, 410, the employee count from 2000, it went down to 410. So these are the people with salary greater than 10,000. So these were advanced filtering and basic filtering. So now there's one more type of filtering. For that, you should click on matrix, which is this one. So you can see these are the things when you click on matrix: job role, job satisfaction, job involvement. So now click on job role. So here, click on this thing, and then you can see there's one more thing here, top N. Choose top N. Then here you can choose top or bottom. We are choosing top here. So top 4. Now values. We'll choose value according to the job satisfaction. So drag job satisfaction to value and then click on apply filter. Now you can see there were certain changes in this particular matrix. Like if I remove this thing, if I go back, you can see 1106 people were there. Now if you do the same thing, top N, 4, and then job satisfaction, apply filter, see 1096. There are certain changes in the matrix. So this was the third filter which we applied. And this was also the last part of 8th program. 8th program was also small. The only thing is, for doing 8th program, first you should do the 7th program, you should do everything, and then on that you should filter and you should do the 8th program. So in 7th program, you're just creating charts and everything. And then 8th program, on these charts, you're filtering employee count, date, department, and then in matrix, you're filtering out according to job satisfaction and everything. So that's it. Bye bye.